In this video, I am going to show you how to stop scammers and telemarketing calls on your mobile phone. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Probably each of us has been called by scammers who are pretending to be a bank employee to deceive us and take our money. We also receive calls from telemarketers trying to sell us something or silence call checking if our phone is valid. This could be also a scammer planning to call again later. Few people know that there are special phone settings that can prevent such calls from reaching you. In today's video, I am going to show you where the settings are on your Android phone and how can you enable it. I will show you a reliable way to check who owns the phone number that calls you, for instance. If you have a missed call from an unknown number, should call back, not always, because sometimes scammers make short calls on the purpose, so you will return their call. Now let's dive into this method. Since different mobile phone models have different settings, but I am pretty much sure after following my method, you will do it on your mobile phone. The first thing is open your phone application. Now it's open. Take a look on the right top, you can see three dots. Click on these dots and click on the option setting. Once you will click on the option setting on the top, you can see the option of caller ID and spam. Click on it. Here are two type of options. Second one is filter spam calls. Prevent suspected spam calls from disturbing you. If you turn off this feature, then no one will be able to call you. Even if they call you, your phone will be in silent. You won't get any notification from it. But maybe this feature is not reliable for you because sometimes your family member or even if your friend try to reach you out with a different phone numbers, then you will not get any notification from that number. So maybe this feature is not best for you. So for this, turn off this feature and you have to enable the first one, see color and spam ID. Once you will enable this feature, then you will see the color and the spam ID with a mark. On spam number, your phone will show a red notification, and you can also see the caller ID whether it's from a valid or from a spammer. So enable this setting and you can do it in your Android mobile phone by following my method. This method is same for all version of mobile phone. And that's it.